What is Monopoly? Monopoly is when one caveman control everything. Like one guy own all the spears or all the bananas. He king of bananas now. You want spear? You go him. No other choice. You say, maybe discount? He say, ha! Discount is myth like flying mammoth. That Monopoly. One guy control all stuff. He sit on pile of bones so big tribe need ladder to talk to him. Before, many cavemen make spears. They fight with price. One say, my spear sharp. Other say, my spear cheap. Another say, my spear shiny but probably break. Tribe laugh, tribe happy. But Monopoly kill competition. No choice, no fun. Only pain in bone wallet. Price go up, quality go down. Caveman still buy, because what else do? Throw rocket mammoth? Good luck. Monopoly caveman sit on mountain of bones eating giant meat leg laughing like crazy hyena with hiccup. Very annoying. Sometimes Chief try stop Monopoly. Chief say, hey, let other cavemen sell too. That called regulation. But Monopoly caveman scream, no, my bones, my precious, like weird cave goblin. So remember tribe, Monopoly strong, but bad for everyone. Only good for one greedy caveman with too many bones to count. He even used bones as pillow, not comfy, but he rich, so he pretend comfy. Me hope tribe learn today. Now smash subscribe button like you smash rock on Mammoth Head and join tribe for more wisdom.